Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix search not working in Microsoft Outlook. Let's go start. Go to the file in the top corner on the left side, and go to the options in the bottom left corner. Then click on Search option. Then click on Indexing option. Access is denied in indexing. Go to the second way. Open the Start menu, type in the indexing options, and click on Indexing options into the search bar. Click Modify and ensure Microsoft Outlook and local disk C is checked. Click OK. Indexing is progress. Click Advanced, go to the Troubleshooting section, and click Rebuild. Click OK to confirm, and leave your computer on while it reindexes. This can take a while, depending on the size of your mailbox. Restart your computer. After restart, check Outlook search options the computer. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.